In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Remitly like a pro. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Remitly account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get familiar with the main layout of the app or website. This will make the rest of the process much easier and help you move confidently through the settings. Next, click on Manage. This is usually where you can access important account options and review the information connected to your profile. After that, click on Profile. Inside your profile section, the main goal is to make sure everything is accurate and up to date. This is especially important for money transfer services because even small mistakes can cause delays or issues later. In the profile area, add or review your name, address, phone number, and email address. Go through each field carefully and check for any spelling errors, missing details, or outdated information. If you recently changed your address, email, or phone number, this is the time to correct it. Accuracy here is very important, so don't rush this part. Make sure everything is correct before moving on. Once that's done, click on Payment Methods. This section is where you manage the way you plan to fund your transfers. Click Add Payment Method if you haven't set one up yet. If you already added a payment method before, review it carefully and make sure all the details are accurate. It's a good habit to double-check this section, especially if a card has expired or your bank details have changed. Keeping your payment information updated can help avoid failed payments or interruptions when you need to send money quickly. After that, click on Contacts. This is where you can see your full contact list. Open each contact you plan to use and review the information stored there. If needed, click to edit the details and make sure everything is correct. This is another step that can save you time and prevent mistakes when sending money. If a recipient's information is inaccurate, your transfer could be delayed or sent incorrectly, so it's worth checking carefully. As you go through these sections, the overall goal is simple. Make everything accurate and right. Review your profile, your payment methods, and your contacts with care. Taking a few extra minutes now can make your future transfers smoother, faster, and more reliable. And that's it. If you keep your account information updated and organized, you'll be using Remitly in a much more efficient and professional way.